Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing assets and starting the only practical theme method on iPhone, shortcuts plus wallpaper and widgets. Create or collect icon images at 512 times 512 so they look sharp. Once you open shortcuts, tap the plus button and add action, then choose Scripting Open App. This replaces an app icon with a custom image. It takes a moment, so be precise when naming the shortcut. Make sure to keep the original apps in App Library to avoid losing access. Next, you replace icons and add matching widgets to sell the theme aesthetic. After choosing Add to Home Screen, tap the icon and pick your prepared photo. Label it exactly as the app to keep clarity. Then install Widgetsmith or use built-in widgets to place matching colors and fonts. Adjust sizes so the grid aligns. Once done, arrange icons and widgets across pages and hide the original apps in the app library so the home screen displays only your themed shortcuts. Finally, apply a wallpaper that completes the look and test every shortcut. Go to Settings Wallpaper and choose Still or Perspective, aligning colors with your icons. Set separate lock screen and home screen images if desired. Tap each custom icon to confirm it launches the real app. If you see shortcuts opening first, recheck the Open App Action target or delete and recreate that shortcut. If a widget or icon looks off, swap the image or clear shortcuts cache by restarting the phone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.